Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two-player soccer. So what we're going to do first is delete the cat and select the backdrop. And I'm going to check backdrops really quick to see if they have anything good. Look, they have a soccer field. Okay, so I'm going to copy off of this design for my soccer field, and let's get started. Now you could either draw a simple player, or we could go to the sprite library. I'm going to go to the sprite library. I'm gonna use these top-down people. I'm gonna choose Trisha. She's gonna be moving like this on the blue side. So I'm gonna change the blue to teal and the red to who's gonna be the next top-down player. Uh-oh, all their names start with T, so I can't just put T. I'm gonna choose Taylor for the next one. And then copy her name because I'm lazy. I'm gonna make Taylor gold and Trisha gold. Perfect. Now I'm gonna flip Taylor horizontally, all her sprites. We don't need the last two sprites, we only need the first two. Actually, we don't even need this kicking one, but we could actually use it. Now I'm gonna size him down to about 50, so like match the goal. No, not 50, let's do 40. Oh yeah, 40 is good. And we have them moving around on this screen. 30. 30 is even better. 30. Okay, now we have these little people that are gonna move on the screen. Now we're gonna go to My Blocks. Make a block and start game. Now we're gonna press OK. Then we're gonna drag in, oh look, it's a pink cat. Set size to 50. I'm changing the size to 50 to 30. One or two, it looks like it's 20. Nope, 30. Then we're going to go to variables, set, and we are going to make two variables. The first variable is going to be red. The second variable is going to be blue. And these are going to be the scores. And I'm just going to edit how it looks really quick. Right here. And right here. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to drag in set red to 0 and set blue to 0. Then I'm gonna quickly just code these players' movements. And green flag clicked forever. This is a code that we've all done. So I done. Okay, now after we finish, we're gonna go to motion, change Y by 10 for W, change Y by -10, and I'm gonna change it to 5. Now Trisha can move. Okay. Now we're gonna add the soccer ball. So we're gonna go to choose a sprite. We have a baseball, basketball. Where is the soccer ball? Perfect. A nice soccer ball. And I'm going to take the code from Trisha and drag it into here. I'm gonna set the size to 30. Yeah, 30 is good. 30 is good. Actually, I want it a little bit. Oh god, I want it a little bit bigger than 30, so you could actually see it like this. That is perfect. Now, the define start game is gonna run the code when the start game block is used. Now I'm gonna make another block. It's gonna be called move ball. And we are going to put in move ball, move 6 steps if on edge bounce. Then we are going to quickly copy this code from Trisha to Taylor, and then we are going to make another block called take center and press OK. Then define take center, go to 0, 0. Then point and direction. Then we're gonna go to operators. And we're gonna put the negative, and we're gonna put the times, then we're gonna put pick random, and in the negative we're gonna put 90. In the times we are going to put 180. In pick random we are gonna put 0 and 1. Then we're gonna put another code. So another block, and this one's gonna be called check for goals. And we are going to put inside the check for goals if, then touching red goal, and then also touching blue. Now let's change this before I forget again. I'm going to change up arrow and down arrow instead of W and S, because if I don't do it now, I'm going to forget. Now we're going to go to sensing, put touching, and we're going to put red Trisha goal and Taylor goal. Now we're gonna put a goofy scratch sound effect. Why do I have a basketball bouncing a soccer ball? I'll go choose a sound and we're gonna put goal cheer. Okay, let's play it. Why does that sound more realistic reversed? Okay. Then we're gonna put change blue by 1, and then change red by 1. Plays sound gold cheer. And then take center for each of them. Then we're gonna make yet another block, and this one is gonna be called check for kicks. So if, then touching Trisha, not goal, Trisha or Taylor, and we're gonna drag out both point in direction blocks. And we are gonna go to sounds. Oh, we're gonna download yet another goofy sound. And do they have a kick sound? Kick. This one's fine. Okay, we're using this one. And then start sound kick drum. Then we are going to go to operators, and we are going to choose 2 negatives. Then we are going to go to motion, and we are going to put Y position in the first negative on the second, circle. And we're gonna go to sensing and put Y position of backdrop of stage. We're gonna put backdrop of stage in the third one, and we're gonna put So at first the X position and Y position won't show up, but first you have to change the of to Trisha or Taylor, then it'll show up. So we're gonna put Y position of Trisha, then we're gonna put 90 in the last hole, and I'm just gonna duplicate this. Put 90 in the last, minus 90 I mean, and we're going to change this one around, and we're going to put Taylor instead of Trisha. Then start sound kick. Now we have all of the code, but they won't run except for the movement. Why wouldn't it run? Because we're using the define, and we need to make sure all of these are played, because my blocks, they won't move or do anything unless their blocks are used. So I'm going to do a quick code. When green flag clicked, let's put start game and take center. Then we're gonna go to control, forever, my blocks. Now we're gonna check for goal, check for kicks, move ball. Now if we test out our code, the ball is glitched. Let's see why. Okay, so I found it. It is supposed to be Y position, not X position. Let's try it out one more time. Now to make this more fun, I'm going to allow the characters to move around the screen. That'd be so fun. So I'm going to do that right now. We're gonna go here, duplicate both of them, change these, right, left, motion, X, -10, right arrow, turn, duplicate, go to Trisha, let's put it all in Trisha. Okay, Trisha. Duplicate. FW, and then we're gonna put D and A. So D, A. Then we're gonna change the Y to X. And make sure it's -5, not -10. Because I'm putting -10 and it's supposed to be -5. Okay, now you can move around the screen.